เรือใบสตอรี่ขอนำเสนอไฮไลท์ UCL รอบแบ่งกลุ่ม
It's Gundogan, it's outstanding. For Manchester City, makes some room and scores a great goal.
Oh, Jesus has scored.
Works its way through, and Ferran Torres scores the first goal tonight for Manchester City. There by Uribe, and Luis Diaz can have a run here for Porto. It's a good run as well. He might go all the way. That's a quite outstanding goal. Hit the outside of the post, and then Sterling is fouled, and the referee's given a penalty. And Aguero scores just about underneath Marchesine, who did all he could to get there. It's Gundogan. It's outstanding. You cannot hit them any better than that. İlkay Gundogan with a brilliant free kick for Manchester City. Tonight, it's Torres though for Manchester City, makes some room and scores a great goal. Second goal in Manchester City blue, and that was a little bit special from Ferran Torres.
Chance here, maybe to give Manchester City the lead, and they get that lead as well. It was a mistake in the defence. They haven't managed to hold on. It was Torres breaking onto it and putting the chance away. Two standing up towards the back post, and surely two, it is. İlkay Gundogan was there to stab it home, and that takes any pressure there was off Manchester City. Lovely ball, De Bruyne, Sterling, easy as you like. 3-0 Manchester City, and that was a textbook strike.
That was just beautiful. Everything about
Torres has played a 1-2, he's got him behind here. Does he finish it this time? He does. That's 3 in 3 Champions League games for the new signing, Ferran Torres. Goal was coming, and it has again as well. Jesus has scored out of nothing. What a finish that is. What a return to the team by Gabriel Jesus. That was close to centre to lay it back. And that's a third goal. Cancelo with his left foot. 3-0 to put some icing.
Jesus for Sterling, lovely back heel for Foden, that's a brilliant goal. After half an hour.
First half for Marseille. Mahrez running at pace, works its way through, and Ferran Torres scores the first goal tonight for Manchester City. Well, the message might change from Villas-Boas now, but Guardiola can celebrate. Manchester City corner, it's a good one, good save by Mandanda. And there's the tap-in by the poacher. It's another goal on the list for Sergio Aguero. Nobody's done it better in the sky blue. Ferran Torres with the pass. Sterling's in there and gets the final touch to make it 3-0.